Still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you.
Ever wondered what it takes to make a shampoo that not only cleanses but transforms hair into a silky masterpiece? Imagine turning that into a thriving business from the comfort of your own home. Stay tuned to discover the step-by-step formula. Welcome back to Prince Sam Official. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Research ingredients. Begin by learning about effective shampoo ingredients, including gentle cleansers, conditioning agents, essential oils, and natural extracts. Popular options include aloe vera, coconut oil, and tea tree oil, which provide nourishment while cleaning. Step 2. Get your supplies. Gather the essentials, mixing bowls, a digital scale for measuring ingredients precisely, glass containers, and heat-resistant gloves. Don't forget the bottles for packaging. Reusable and eco-friendly options can add a premium touch to your brand. Step 3. Choose a base. Opt for a sulfate-free base for gentler shampoos, or create one from scratch using a combination of water and surfactants like decyl-glucoside for a mild cleansing effect. Step 4. Add nutrient-rich ingredients. Start by adding oils, such as jojoba, argan, or castor, and proteins like keratin or silk protein to boost hydration. Mix with botanical extracts, lavender for relaxation, rosemary for growth, and peppermint for that refreshing tingle. Step 5. Fragrance and preservatives. Essential oils like lavender, eucalyptus, or citrus make great natural fragrance options. To keep your shampoo safe for long-term use, add natural preservatives, like rosemary extract, or opt for cosmetic preservatives. Step 6. Perfecting the formula. Stir your mixture thoroughly, then heat if necessary, to ensure all ingredients blend smoothly. Test and adjust to find the right balance of consistency, scent, and lather. Step 7. Testing and adjusting. Try the shampoo on a small amount of hair to check its effectiveness and gentleness. Adjust for thickness by adding guar gum or a small amount of xanthan gum for a creamy texture. Step 8. Packaging and branding. Design labels with clear, attractive branding. Make it eco-friendly by using recyclable or reusable bottles to appeal to conscious consumers. Step 9. Market your product. Start with friends and family, then expand through online platforms like Instagram and Etsy. Use social media to showcase before and after transformations, ingredient benefits, and customer testimonials. Congratulations! You now know how to create and market a high-quality shampoo right from home. Ready to start your own hair care business? Hit that subscribe button for more DIY business tips. Thanks for watching. Prince Sam Official loves you all. See you on my next video.